Hey guys, Mindset Trend and Trades, and let's look at the charts. As you see here, I got a comment to look at RR stock, and let's do that. So that was one of the main reasons I started the YouTube channel too, was to see other people's perspective on some of these stocks and to get ideas. So maybe make a small community of people here with ideas and stocks. So let me just take a look. I've never seen this company before. I have no idea what it does or what it is, but I'll take a quick look here at the chart and see what I think. So starting on the monthly here, it was started trading November or end of 2023. It's at a high of around 12 on that wick. Came all the way down to like 50 cents here at the beginning of the year. And now it is trading, so it's had a great year, trading at $3.80. Nothing really on the monthly though with the software I have. Let's check the weekly. The weekly here, you kind of got that big cup, cup and handle maybe that's playing out right now. It's kind of here back testing this level. Maybe we come over here to this level here. This put a line there, and you can see here. So this low that was put in November of 2023 is now kind of acting as resistance so far. Last week, it looks like we broke through that level. And this week, I guess just today, what we've done is come in, I'll zoom in a bit. If you're in a mobile or something, you can't see, but it looks like we came and we tested this line for support. Let's make sure that line is in the correct. No, I gotta move it up a tiny bit. Yeah. So that's a key level in my opinion. It was a discernible bottom. And it was also respected right here on this day as a top, or this week as a top. We're on the weekly. And then this week it must have opened higher, and it never confirmed above. It only broke through here, and look, this weekly candle here on September the 22nd of December this year, this level is support. So it looks to me on the weekly that this is the key level here. So let's get back above 416. Like there could be downside here. Like there's no more support. Sure, there was a little bit of resistance here, but there's no more support until this level here, around $1.74, right? $2 area. There's this zone. So it's kind of right in here. You can see the price action is straight up, straight down, kind of consolidated sideways and straight up. So below this level, we could come straight down to 174. Let's take a look at the daily. Okay. So on the daily here, we had this bat. Let's see if it played out. We got the T1 right here. Confirmed T1. We came close to T2, but never actually hit it. And then we got the T2 here, and then just must have been some good market moves or something, maybe some news catalyst that shot it up here to $7. And ever since then, the beginning of October, it's been on a downtrend. So, we could see this 233 as support here. And that kind of co-aligns with this range, on the daily where we put this low here at 175 on the weekly. It's kind of this range in here. Like it's just straight up and straight down and straight up. So it's looking to me like you got a daily dot here. You are oversold, you're turning up, but you didn't really get any follow through today with this big red candle here. So and you also got this structure here, which is a bullish structure, but it looks like it wants to come down to 250 to create that structure, and it would probably end up coming down to wick T2 at 233 if this harmonic plays out, and then you'd complete this bearish harmonic prior. So would I enter it at this moment? Probably not. It's right here. It's not a really good entry. I'd like to see it get down to 233 I would come back. I'll put it on my watch list and look at it, and maybe above this hop level here of 426. Come down, hit this weekly top at 417, get above 426, and maybe we can see a nice rise up to the $7 range again. If you're holding it, maybe consider trimming a bit, because you really don't want to own it below this 414 level. Not financial advice, so just in a scenario. So I don't know. I'm probably not entering it here. Let's take a quick look at the 4-day or 4-hour. My bad. Okay, 4-hour looks all right. It's a pretty large 4-hour structure too, which is nice. You got a dot, and yeah, it hit this level here today again. So let's get above 416, and maybe we do use this 4-hour here as a pattern. You know, these patterns aren't 100%. They give you higher odds, and they really give you higher odds when you get a pattern completion with an arrow or a dot or something like that. So getting a pattern completion here with this dot is nice, and it looks like the dot was respected here. Not so much up in this area, but yeah, I hope that helped. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you want to take a look at any other stocks. This is an interesting one. Only has a market cap of 750 million. They definitely lose money. They only have a $1 million revenue. So, I mean, maybe do some due diligence on them. What do they do here? Engaged in development of robotic technologies. I mean, sells robots to restaurants, senior living centers. I mean, this is a growing industry, right? The company is founded in Zhengwu, so maybe the Chinese company. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's a growing industry in the future is robotics, right? And if they got to compete with Tesla and the Tesla bot, but we'll see how they do here. Maybe we'll look into to see what they actually do here in another video. If we get some interest in this video here, we'll maybe take a look at their financials or maybe about them and their future plans. So that's cool. I like it. Yeah. As always, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think, and leave a comment.